I just love my time out at Gray's Classic Cars. This makes me feel like a movie star. So Nicolas Cage, eat your heart out.
I think I deserve a little appreciation.
So in case you don't know, this is an Eleanor recreation, replica, clone, whatever you want to call it. And it's very, very true to life to the movie star one, which was gone in 60 seconds. Gorgeous looking car. And let's have a look at some specs, because it's got lots of them. So it's got all the features that the movie car had. It's got the proper Shelby wheel, the very nicely bolstered sports seats, Shelby console cover. It's got all the gear. The movie, they had to hotwire the car, but Grays will give you the keys if you buy this. So let's look at the engine room. It's a 347 stroker, Windsor stroker, and it's got the, you know, all the gear. I don't know how else to describe it. It's got the headers, Ford Racing rocker covers, great big Holly carb, Shelby air cleaner. I mean, it's the real deal, this thing. It is the real deal. The only thing it hasn't got is Nicolas Cage in the driver's seat. This will be live Gray's Classic Cars very soon. And if you want to get yourself into this Hollywood heartthrob and look like me or Nicolas Cage, get online soon, Gray's Classic Cars. Listen to this.
So if you'd like to keep up with everything that's happening in our classic car and bike department, why don't you join our Facebook page, Gray's Classics Cars and Bikes. And also, if you'd like to keep up to date with the videos we do at Gray's on classic cars and bikes, subscribe to our YouTube channel.